Do you struggle to capture notes and action items in your meetings? Do you have to reconcile notes from multiple people into one doc after the meeting? I'm going to show you how to easily create shared meeting notes in Google Docs with the help of Google Calendar and Google Meet. When creating or editing a meeting invite in Google Calendar, you can easily create a shared notes document by clicking Create Meeting Notes. This will create a new doc using a meeting notes template and automatically share it with all participants. Before your meeting, you can add an objective, agenda, or other content you plan to cover. During the meeting, participants can open the doc from the event in Google Calendar or from the information pane directly in Google Meet. Now everyone can contribute to the notes in one place and assign action items for post-meeting follow-up. So there you have it. Make your meetings more actionable by using shared meeting notes with Google Calendar and Google Meet. Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube for more tips like this.